So we have a coop all finished. Right now it's got a mixture of several different kinds of bedding. And we have our laying boxes blocked off for now because they're still only 6 weeks old. I didn't want them to get in there yet. And some roosting bars. Hi, girl. We also have an area for laying and getting the eggs out. Got a light for at night, solar light, and then we have this run that we got off of Wayfair, which I can post separately about. And this is what our inside area looks like. We went with the feeder system with the little nipples. We ordered these off Amazon, which I can post for you all. And it came with the drill bit already. So we just drilled into a bucket from obviously Home Depot and have it filled up. They've actually done pretty well with this. They've been drinking out of it, figured it out pretty easily. I still have the other one as they're just learning, but as far as I've seen, they're all drinking out of it. And then we're also gonna move to a bucket for a feeder system, which I can show you guys soon. So here's kind of our setup for now.